If you'd like to see how I created this Dollar Tree DIY with faux leather inspired Gucci fabric vinyl in a picture frame, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be using this Dollar Tree picture frame. It's a size 8x10 and I have some faux leather inspired Gucci fabric and that is 9 by 12 inches. So I'm going to have to go ahead and cut the fabric just a little bit so it can fit inside of this 8x10 picture frame. And this is the fabric, and I do have this available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. There's always free shipping, and I have a coupon code available for my wonderful customers. You can get 10% off if you use Royal Beauty 10 off. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm opening up this picture frame. I'm flipping it over so I can go ahead and open up the back. I'm going to remove that paper filler there. And I'm just going to simply line it up with the backing sheet and just cut around it so that I can get an accurate size of the 8x10 so it fits properly in this frame. Make sure you do have some sharp scissors for the fabric. So these are my little cute scissors that I got off Amazon, and they're pretty sharp. Now that you'll just cut along the line, it's very simple. Or if you want, if it makes you feel more comfortable, you can go ahead and just trace the fabric with maybe a pen or a pencil and then just cut along the line. That may be a little bit easier than what I did. Now, the cool thing about this DIY is that it's so versatile because first of all, you can use any size picture frame you want. I also want to try this using some smaller frames as well, like some frames that are 5x7, maybe 4x6. I think that will look good as well. Also, there are so many different fabulous fabrics that you can use in this DIY. It's crazy. Some Dollar Trees even have fabric. So you can use some Dollar Tree fabric if you want to. It does not have to be luxury inspired. I have an idea that eventually I want to make a really cute one with like some sequins fabric. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. I feel like this is nice and high end and it's very, very affordable, but it's just really nice and it's something I've never really seen before. Here we are, and I think this looks fabulous by itself. The detail of this fabric is so pretty. I do have this available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. There's always a coupon code available for my customers to use, Royal Beauty 10 off, and there's always free shipping. So you could either leave the DIY like this. Again, this is an 8x10 frame. The fabric itself is 9 by 12. So let me just show you what I cut off. I did have to cut this from the bottom. Yeah, I think I had to cut this from the bottom and then a little bit off the side. So just a little bit you have to cut off. Now, in my mind, this was a good idea, but I'm starting to think what I cut out was a little too big as I don't want to take away from this beautiful backdrop that we have here. So I kind of think I still want to go with it though. But just know that you can stop it here. And I also cut out the words, forgive me, I was using some foil leaf earlier and it kind of got on my backing sheet. So hopefully it doesn't get on to, I just hope it doesn't get onto this glass. So this says Life is Gucci. If I was just to put Life is Gucci right here, I still think that would be super cute. But for some reason, I want to put this big gigantic Gucci on here. If I don't like it, yeah, I could just take it off. Or maybe I could just put it right in the middle. I don't know. I don't want it at the very top. So we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna go with it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, just take your time and line up the decal on the glass the best way that you can. Again, you can do any color you like. And I was also thinking too, if you want, you can go ahead and decorate your frame like the actual edge of the frame. There's so much that you can do with this DIY. It's crazy. I love how simple it is. Just hoping that this foil leaf, if you want to see, let me just show you really quick. I did a short or a TikTok making this cute little hair bow, UV resin, and I had used some purple foil leaf, so that's where this came from. So I'm gonna go ahead and as neatly as I possibly can, and let's see, get that on there. All right, just take your time and smooth your vinyl onto the glass, nice and smooth. Then you'll peel it off, just like what I'm doing right now, and then you'll be finished. And the pieces that I did cut off, the extra fabric, I have an idea, you guys. If you have a laminator, I'm gonna make some cute bookmarks with the leftover fabric. Almost done, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Dollar Tree DIY. It's high-end. It's luxury, it's beautiful, it's Gucci inspired, and I absolutely love it. So what I like most about this is the fabric. This fabric is so pretty. It's so springy, so summery. It's just beautiful. And then I just went ahead and went with the lime green signed vinyl because I felt like it would just make the fabric pop even more. And then the yellow Life is Gucci just really topped it off. So I really hope you guys like this DIY. I hope that if you do have some fabrics, like I said, whether it's designer or not, whatever type of fabric you have, even if you have maybe some silk fabric, I don't know what you have, but if you have some really cute fabric, maybe an old shirt that had like a nice abstract look to it, I don't know, maybe an old pillowcase that was really cute and had some nice designs on it, put it in a picture frame. I did forget to wipe the glass off with alcohol, so make sure you always do that first. But I really do like this, and you don't have to use a Dollar Tree picture frame. They have some nice frames, and I like the Dollar Tree, but we all know you can go to Kohl's or you can go to Home Goods and find an even fancier picture frame and like really get jazzy with it. If you do events or baby showers, you can put some cute baby looking fabric in the background. You can put a message on them. You can make reservation, like table cards with this. Like, I have a lot of ideas, and I like to give out ideas as I think of them. You can do a lot with this. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook. And again, if you want this fabric and you're interested, you know where you can find it. I have the information for you and a coupon code. Thanks again for watching this video, you guys. Bye-bye. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.